You can narrate it. We're waiting for the lightning to hit again. It's like crazy stormy out. There's some lightning. Wow.
And later on, I'm gonna do my own video about seeing lightning while we're driving. So
Trying to take pictures of the lightning is so hard.
I know. Mostly, there's like 40 pictures of clouds.
I know, the same clouds.
And the clouds. And the clouds.
But they're really impressive storm clouds.
Yes. And it does look like there's gonna be a tornado.
Oh, there's a dog running. Dogs, a lot of dogs don't like thunder. Yeah, well, he's scared. He's running. Never mind.
Well, without two dogs. I'm kind of calm.
And they saw a dog running by who probably ran away from home because of all the lightning and thunder. That's enough, Torque. Enough, Reese. Wow, that was a good one.
Mommy, there's been a lot of noise in this video.
I know, a lot of background noise.
Yeah, and I have the hiccups.
I noticed.
Mommy, can I make my video now?
Soon. I know, I just keep waiting. It's like one more lightning strike. It's like sheets of lightning.
Yeah.
Definitely got the rain now.